Hi, the Aseptico Peristaltic Infusion pump is a great US-made peristaltic infusion pump. It's made by a company called Aseptico based in Seattle in the United States. So what can I tell you about this particular pump? Well, first of all, I should warn Australian customers that this pump is not registered with the Therapeutic Goods Administration. But having said that, it's an extremely reliable and efficient pump that can deliver up to 320 mils of fluid a minute. So when you buy the pump, what do you actually get with it? Well, let's just go through it. Obviously you get the pump itself, like that. You get a bag holder that fits into the prop there, like that. Where does it go? Like that. That will allow you to hang your bag of tumescent fluid off this bag holder here. You also get an electronic foot switch, you get some reusable tubing, and of course a power cord. So let me just show you how you set this particular pump up. I'm going to turn it round so you can see the various connections on the reverse there. So the first thing you'll want to do is to plug the power cord in, which just goes in the back there like that. Easy enough. There are two ports for the electronic foot switch, so you can choose either one. It makes no difference. You just have to get the line it up like that. That goes in there. And then the little knurled knob, just to do that up like that, and that'll hold that in there securely. I'll now turn it round again so we can see the front of the pump working. There we are, like that. So there's just a little on-off switch there, and then if I turn that to one side, when I depress the foot switch, it begins to work like that. Now you can control the flow rate with this knob on the front here, just like that, very fast, and slow it down to virtually nothing. Now with this particular pump, it only pumps when the foot switch is pressed. Take your foot off, stop, on, off. Pretty simple mechanism that. So how do you actually load the tubing into the pump itself? There are two types of tubing that you can get. We have some Australian-made single-use peristaltic tubing. It comes with two spikes to go into the bags. You can clamp one off, the one that you're not using, clamp that off like that. And if you work your way down the tube from the spike end, you will come to the connection with the soft silicon part of the tube that actually goes into the impeller here. So first of all, remove this block, like that, which exposes the impellers there. Take this tubing and put the connector on the outside of the block like that. Hopefully you can see that there. So that goes on the outside of the block like that. And that's the end with the spikes, of course. You then wrap that tubing around there like that and take it out through the cut on the other side. So that's now on there. Now you secure this in place with this block, which just slits over the top there like that. Whoops, what's going on here like that. Just do that up. Make sure that that's nice and tight. Once that's tight, you're ready to go. Just put that in an angle, press the foot switch, and you're now pumping fluid through up 320 mils a minute. Now also, interestingly, with this pump, when it comes to you, there will be a piece of tubing with reusable parts on it. So I'll just take this off again so we can see what we're doing. Take out the single-use tubing, like that. And here is the tubing that comes with the pump that has a reusable spike here, and down the spike it's then got the little connection there, and then on the distal end there is the low lock connector to go onto your cannula or whatever. So with this, again, make sure that the connection is outside the block at the top there. Wrap it around and then come out the bottom. And again, just put the block on, do the block up, and you're ready to go again. Once that's nice and secure, like that. One of the great advantages of this particular pump, in my opinion, is that it has an extremely small footprint. It's just 15 by 20 centimetres, so it's not going to take up a lot of room on your trolley. The other thing is its reliability. It's made by a dental manufacturer, and they are very used to pumping fluids, and so we find that once we've supplied this pump, we never get any problems with it at all. So that's the Aseptico Peristaltic Infusion Pump. Thank you very much indeed. Goodbye.